The sun is bright and shining right in my face. We're gonna make this quick. Wednesday night at Old Thunder, shooting the Staccato. It's been a while since I shot the Staccato here. What's today? March the 4th. We'll see how I do, man. I don't know. I don't have any predictions. I'm just gonna get out here, try to have some fun. If I do good, I do good. I do bad, I do bad. But either way, I'm gonna do the best I can do. All right, guys.
Range is safe. 2115. 2115. I got that looks like let's go Alpha Charlie 2. Over here I have
Alpha Mike, because that is a lunch.
Alright. Yeah, we gave Byron that one, so we gotta give him.
Yeah, that's right.
Alpha Mike.
They stop picking on me, damn it.
Yeah, this one is
I'm sensitive.
Alpha Mike.
Wait, one of the hit the barrel?
Yeah, one of your shots on here was a barrel shot.
I got the Alpha Mike.
Two and two. It's all yours.
I just gotta survive now. If I go too fast, I'm gonna mess up and Sean gonna definitely run away from me.
2 Alpha. 2.
Upside down, down low,
Charlie.
down low, upside down. Remember that's upside down, Byron.
We're saying this broken today, so Alpha, what was the other one up? This other hit here? Yeah, Alpha and...
Yeah, Alpha and I guess the second.
2 Alpha.
Yeah, all scored. Yeah, 2. Alright.
Byron's a shooter. Dan's on deck. I'm in
That
the
was a
hole.
very generous run.
You're still recording on your head.
There's a lot of questionable shots.
It's just for practice. All right, range going hot. Make ready.
Heels, right?
Napoleon did heels.
Okay.
I actually didn't read the thing, so I have no idea.
That sounds weird, but okay.
Be gentle. That's your bread and butter.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Ah!
Finish, unload, show me clear. I see clear. Hammer down, holster. You're pretty close to pulling that at me at the end.
Yeah.
1610.
Oh, that worked.
1618.
That worked. Oh, fuck. I don't know why I want that bullet so bad.
You get all these front ones?
That's a lot of twos, baby. A lot of twos.
What was that one?
Alpha Charlie there. 2.
All scored.
How'd it shake out?
Pretty good.
6-3.
Sounded like a 6.5.
Huh? I just.
Did you see what happened to me in the beginning?
Yes, you forgot to do your chart.
Range is safe. 2069. Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
2.
2.
That tear on that no shoot keeps fucking me up.
Alpha Charlie 2. Alpha Charlie 2. 2. Also 2. All scored. Byron's a shooter. Ben's on deck. Dan's in the hole. I'm in the deep hole.
All right, I threw a mic in there for you. A little handicap.
We shall see.
All right, range going hot.
Take the pad over.
Make ready. It's you? Are you up?
Yes, me.
Okay. Make ready.
Okay. The low one.
Shooter ready? Stand by.
Ah, come on.
Alpha Charlie.
They're making me second guess myself, Dan. I'm shaking.
Yeah.
Two.
Two.
Alpha Charlie.
Ah!
Alpha Charlie.
Nobody else wanted to do it with me, so I don't want to be the only one taking head boxes going over there.
616. I think you were like 6'1", maybe like 4 or 2.
Oh, you mother... Ah! I got you. I got
Fuck
you,
it, I don't
son of a
care.
bitch.
I gotta experiment. Fuck it. Fuck it.
My time was better, but them Charlies kind of added up after a while.
Can we put it back over there?
Shit, I don't know. I think I'm gonna run over there. I think I'm gonna run over there. I'm like, cause if I get discombobulated, it's gonna all go to shit anyway.
All right, range going hot. Make ready.
Firing and then Dan.
Oh, is this the red sun? My hat?
Yep.
Okay. I thought I heard something go dee dee dee.
Shooter ready? Stand by.
That worked out
Finished.
better.
Unload. Show me clear. See clear. Hammer down. Holster. 1555.
I'll take that. I don't know what them damn hits were though.
222. 2.
Ah, no! Look at that bullshit. You see that shit? Oh,
2.
look at my stack.
Charlie.
2 Charlie.
Yep, I broke it. You won't give me my Charlie. I don't know what these were.
I think we need an overlay on this one.
Fuck you.
2 out.
Alright. I shot them moving, so I don't know how they were alpha. I was like, oh, I'm losing time. And my dot, because the sun went down, was like, boom.
Well, these two, your grouping was like that, but they were just below like the A box.
Oh, no. Come here, show me where. Are you serious? Like here?
Yeah, right here to here.
If you look at my dot, it looks like a sun.
Yeah.
I didn't check it before I started shooting.
Yeah.
I know, that's why I was kind of, when I
Dan, it's heels, right? Okay.
it was still high enough.
Some guns are though, like
Yeah, yeah.
you can switch on, but
The fact that left hand here. What you got here?
I mean, I learned to shoot everything like this. Like,
We have them, and
so like,
Bring his gun up like that.
back. I think a lot of them back. All scored.
I knew I was getting close. That's why I gotta put my hand further down.
Byron's the shooter. Dan's on deck. I'm in the hole.
Tell Napoleon he's
Get
still
in
recording.
the deep hole.
That'd be a DQ.
Yeah.
That steel went down way better that time. You're welcome. All right, range going hot. Make ready.
Yeah, oh, you had one, Mike.
Did I remember what target it was?
That one right there by the canvas. Yeah, that's the PCC. Oh, yeah. Real far.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Finish that load. I see clear. Hammer down, holster. Range is safe. 2336.
If the shots help me, we'll see.
Like last shot, let me put it in. Got that thing running tonight. You didn't do that. 2, 3. Oh,
2336.
Fire 1 for 1? Who are you?
Oh.